up, Glam Squad? It's Glamorous TT, and today's video is going to be on what's in my iPhone 13 Pro. So before I even start, I want to show you guys my case, which I love. It's from Casemate. I am in love with this case because not only is it cute, it is also durable. When I told you that this phone already took a tumble, okay, you guys? And right now I'm waiting for my screen protectors to come, but I don't have no scratches and no cracks whatsoever. This is my home screen, and it says bloom with grace. Okay, I wanted something that when I'm always looking at my phone, I know that it's going to be a positive affirmation. Okay, so I'm going to open my home screen, and this is my home screen. Yes, my first page is blank. I wouldn't want anything on it, just to I don't like hectic on my page. So of course I have my messages, my phone, my Safari, and my music, of course. And I'm going to slide. I think I'm going to put everything on the side here. So of course I have my clock, my photos, my little widgets on the left. We're going to start off with my camera, my photos. I have a folder with all of my stuff that I use on YouTube, and I also have Pandora. I know it's an odd place, but that's where she goes. This folder is basically my photos and my videos. I also have my Outlook on there, and this is basically where I create my thumbnails as well as video edits. Here I have my social media folder, which includes my Facebook, my Messenger, my Instagram, TikTok, anything that deals with social media. Also, before I leave, I have my podcast on here, files and documents. Settings, of course, entertainment. Entertainment is full of entertainment, okay? Netflix, Hulu, Apple TV, Audible, Roku, Uber. Uber is not entertainment, but I didn't know where else to put it, so it's there. This folder is basically miscellaneous. I know it says finance, but it has my astrology, my bank information, my Flow app, Cash app, PayPal, stuff like that. Down here is utilities. It has my AT&T, clock, weather, find my iPhone, calendar, maps, and so forth. And of course, Apple Store. It's pretty basic over here with my iPhone. This iPhone is my filming iPhone, so I do film on this iPhone. I want to show you guys some stuff that I filmed, which when I tell you guys this camera is so bomb, the camera is bomb, okay? You film with this and it's like you're filming I don't even know. You're filming off of a regular point and shoot Canon camera. It's very, very good. But yeah, I'm starting to get hot and sweaty and bothered. But that's it for this video on what's on my phone. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.